You don't need 21 days to turn your life around. Not 90, not even 7. All it takes is one day, one decision, one defining moment where you stop deceiving yourself and finally do what must be done. Because the real problem isn't that you lack time, it's that you lack truth. And today, I'm going to give you something most people won't. A 24-hour framework to reset your mindset, recharge your energy, and realign your direction. This isn't about hype or motivation. This is a battle. And today, we fight to fix you. Step 1, radical self-confinement. Choose a single day. Shut off your phone. No internet, no social media, no scrolling, texting, or distractions. Just you, alone with your thoughts. Why? Because most people aren't broken. They're overstimulated. Their minds are suffocating. No space to reflect. No room to just be. We're drowning in constant noise. And silence is the fastest way to gain clarity. If the idea of spending one full day with just your thoughts scares you, you're not avoiding boredom. You're avoiding the truth. Step 2. The mirror ritual. Now for the part few people mention. Stand before a mirror. Look yourself in the eyes. No music. No affirmations. Just 5 minutes of stillness. Ask yourself one simple question. Who am I pretending to be? Don't just ask it. Feel it. That ache in your chest? That's the real you waking up. The one that's been performing for everyone else. Deep down, you've known it. This is the day you stop acting. The day you get real. Step 3. Destroy to rebuild. Get a notebook and write down 3 things. The habits killing your potential. The environments draining your energy. The lies you tell to gain acceptance. Now destroy the page. Burn it. Rip it. Shred it. Why? Writing brings awareness, but destroying it sends a message to your subconscious. You're not going back. That version of you, it ends here. Step 4. The warrior hour. Now we go all in. Physically, mentally, spiritually. Set a timer for 60 minutes. This is your warrior hour. 20 minutes. Move. Run, push-ups, cold shower, just push your limits. 20 minutes, dump your thoughts onto paper. No structure, no filter. Let it pour out. 20 minutes, sit in silence. No phone, no music, just breathe. Just exist. Do this and you'll feel it. Power, presence, control returning. Step 5, the 9 p.m. rule. At 9 p.m., stand before the mirror again. But this time, don't ask questions. Just say, thank you for showing up. Not for being perfect. Not even for making progress. But for being present. That's what most people never give themselves. A full day of showing up with real intensity. A day where you didn't run, didn't hide, didn't lie. A day where you faced yourself. And that is rare. You're not broken. You've just been buried under fear, comfort, and noise. But one honest, focused day can shift the course of your life. Not because you became someone else, but because you finally stopped pretending. If this hit you, don't just scroll. Act. Fix yourself today.